Hello everyone, it's Melly. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. If you are, please don't forget to subscribe down below. If you like my content, I will be very happy to welcome you into our community. And for those of you who return to my channel, thank you so very much. I really appreciate it. Today I am coming back for a Parisian, French, classic and glamorous makeup look. So if you want to see how to get there to there, then keep on watching. I want to begin first with the e.l.f. Poreless Pre-Primer. I really like this primer. I think it's really great for smoothing the pores and make the appearance of the skin more even. So I place it usually on the cheeks, on the nose. And what I like to do is really tapping the product on the skin. I have so much texture those days. I don't know why exactly, but I have a lot of bumps on my forehead, right here, so I don't know what is happening. My skin is trying to tell me something. Then I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter Primer. You know the drill. I put it right here, right here. I like to put it on the nose. I have the shade number 2, if I remember correctly. Yeah. And tap, 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 tap. I prefer to use this product most of the time with my fingers because as it is a light product with the sponge, usually the sponge drinks up all the product. I mean, not all the product, but it drinks up most of the product. So I use my finger. Look at that. That's what I love. For today, I'm gonna use the Lancome Teint foundation. It's Bare Skin Foundation Natural Light Creator. It has a SPF 15. It is this one. And it's been a while that I didn't use it. And I figure as it is a Parisian look, I will use some French brand. Let's continue with L'Oreal. It's the Infallible More Than a Concealer. I have the color Oatmeal. Yes, sweetie. I'm going to wait a little bit because when you wait for the concealer to dry a little bit, it adds more coverage. So let's wait. I know, sweetie, I know. And what I like to do is really going up with the concealer. As it is a lighter shade, it's gonna give the effect of lifting the eye. I'm gonna set under the eyes with the Buttery Hyaluronic Hydra powder. I have a sample right here. It's a very fine powder. And I just take my mini sponge. I have some powder right here. And I tap under the eyes. Okay, so I did my brows. And now I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Cream Butter Biscuit Bronzer. I really love it. It's so easy to use. Such a natural color for me. I will continue with Fenty Beauty using the cream blush in the color Petal Popping. It's like a sweet pink. And I'm just going in with the sponge and adding that. I am putting quite a lot, but you don't have to, obviously. It's just that I like the heavy blush style at the moment. But you can obviously turn it down. I'm gonna use to set the bronzer a little bit of Sweetie Pie from Too Faced. It looks just like that. For the blush, I will use Peach Passion from Estée Lauder. It's a beautiful pink. I really like this one as well. Very sweet because I want the complexion to be like flawless, very sweet, subtle, because the lips are gonna be red. For highlight, I want to use L'Oréal La Vie en Glow, this one. I'm gonna be mixing those two colors, and it is Sundust and Blazing Gold. I will use a little bit of Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist. I really have to buy some more because so for the look that I have in mind, I'm gonna use Makeup Geek in the Nude palette, and I will be mixing at the beginning buffed and creased. I'm just mixing a little bit of the two on a fluffy brush. And I don't have a pillowy base on because for this look I don't feel the need to. And it's just, you know, to define the crease without being too obvious. Really creating a shadow, you know. I will take So Pale on the same fluffy brush and just, you know, to blend the edges close to the brows. I will use now an angled bluffing brush like this one, and I will take the color, first I will take the color Buffed that we used earlier, but only this one, and I will place it at the end of the eye, going up in direction of the end of your brows. Now I will use the other color, creased, and slowly doing the same thing, and you can link it right here with the shadow that we created before to connect everything. I will continue with this brush, and still with creased, I will buff this color only in the outer V, staying close to your lash lines. With the same color, I'm gonna create a shadow in the inner corner, following the shape of my eye and going back right here. I'm gonna try to do a liner, like classic liner, but I'm gonna do it not on video because it's gonna take so much time for me to do it, so I don't want to bore you with that stuff. So I did a very long liner. I used NYX Matte Liquid Liner to do it. And then on the lid, I'm gonna use a little bit of Sundust from the La Vie en Glow on a flat, kind of fluffy brush. I'm just gonna stamp right here. I will use creased again. Place that only on the outer V, under the eyes. I'm gonna use the color Rapunzel right here. It is a shimmery champagne gold to highlight the inner corner right here. And I will place the color in the beginning under the eyes as well. Now I'm gonna do the mascara Go Big or Go Home from KVD, and I will use the Makeup Geek lashes, if I can make it, graceful. I'm waiting for the lashes to dry a little bit, for the glue to dry. So in the meantime, I'm gonna do my lips, and I'm gonna use the lip liner Artdeco Tease lip liner number 6. To have a little bit of a darker effect, I'm gonna use Artdeco as well, but it's the soft lip liner waterproof number 8. I'm gonna fill the lips only here, you know, I don't know how to say that in English, so yeah. And L'Oreal, it was an exclusive collection. It's by Blake Lively. It's called Pure Red. And here you go, guys. I hope that you like the look. It's my interpretation of the Parisian glamorous classic makeup look. So if you did like it, put a thumbs up, share with a friend who loves makeup as well, and I see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye bye.